Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. If you have created multiple Zaps in Zapier, giving them names makes it much easier to organize and identify them later. Here's how to rename a Zap step by step. First, log into your Zapier account and go to your dashboard. Next, locate the Zap you want to rename in your list of Zaps and click it to open it. At the top of the editor page, you'll see the current Zap name. Click directly on that name. Now, type in your new preferred name. Choose something descriptive so you can quickly recognize it and know what the Zap does. Once done, press enter or click outside the text box to save the changes. And that's it, guys. Your Zap now has a fresh, clear name for better organization. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.